So I'm guessing that the title of the video had definitely given you all the hint that why my excitement level is this high and why the smile of my face is this wide at freaking 3 a.m. in the morning. So without wasting any time, I'm going to tell you 5 book recommendations from my favorite genre and definitely or nothing else in this world matters when it comes to my favorite genre, that is romance. So my first recommendation would definitely be The Fault in Our Stars. I mean, who have not read this book is definitely an idiot on this planet. I'm sorry for these words, but The Fault in Our Stars is my favorite book when it comes to romance. If you are a reader, you would definitely have read this book, and if you are a non-reader, you would have watched the movie. All right. And the second recommendation would definitely be from the king of romance, Nicholas Sparks. The Notebook. The Notebook is, I think, the best book as far as romance is concerned, because of the storyline of this book is very fresh, very new, and very innovative. So the best memory for me with this book was, I remember that I was curled up in my blanket with my cup of coffee on a cold winter night, and I was just reading this book. It just transports you to a different world. The third recommendation would definitely be Haruki Murakami's Norwegian Wood, and Haruki Murakami is the best author on this planet. You cannot get enough of Murakami. If you read a Murakami, you would definitely want to read another Murakami just after reading the first Murakami. So for the beginners of Murakami's writing, it would definitely be recommended Norwegian Wood. Other books are also nice. They are nice, but they would not be that relevant when it comes to you as a beginner starting to read a Murakami. So if you want to start Murakami, if you want to explore Murakami, if you want to fall in love with Murakami, Haruki Murakami for sure, please do start with Norwegian Wood. And the fourth recommendation would definitely be All the Bright Places by Jennifer Niven. I mean, this book was introduced to me by my brother, and just the quote on the cover, definitely it will melt your heart out. The quote goes something like this: that the story of a girl who learns to live from a boy who wants to die. Sentence is enough for you all to just read this book. And last but not the least, definitely not the least, because this book had made me cry at 3 a.m. in the morning. I was sitting right here in this room and just crying and howling like a baby, just when I just finished this book. This book is that painful, this book is that heart wrenching, and this book is that it will make your heart cry, it will make your soul scream, and it will make you question so many things, as far as so many things are concerned. My heart goes out to the character of this, to the main character of this book. The character name is Rohit. I love you, Rohit. You have my heart, because I know that what kind of a person are you, and what you have done, was really very difficult, but circumstances were like that, and you were just put into that mold, to just become what you had become, and it was really heart wrenching, and I don't know how to put it in words right now, though I have written an in-depth Instagram post on my Instagram definitely, but right now I'm fumbling because the feeling is that overwhelming, the feeling is that emotional. With that said, I am done with my 5 recommendations, but I have been often judged, to be so much involved in romance when it comes to books. I have been judged by almost all the people in my life. I somehow believe that realities are definitely harsh, realities are definitely hard. Fiction takes you to a different world, even maybe it should be for a limited time or for a few hours or for a few minutes. Why you should not do that? That's the reason, and that's the only thing that why I love romance that much, only in books for that matter. So with that said, thank you for watching this video. Until then, this is Miri signing off. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for all the bookish videos and all the bookish stuffs, bookish stories, and definitely lots and lots of book recommendations. I have a surprise for y'all tomorrow. You are watching this on a Saturday, and tomorrow, that is a Sunday, I have a really very different kind of a surprise. I have tried something different. I hope that you all like it, and I will be uploading it tomorrow on a Sunday. So with that said, bye bye.